everyone, my name's Justice, and this week's Minute Moving Hack is for college students. With finals, winter break, and winter commencement all fast approaching, the last thing probably on your mind is moving out for the semester. That's why we have 5 helpful tips to help make your college move out a breeze. Most schools have specific instructions when it comes to the move-out process. If you're not graduating and you're returning in the new year, chances are you'll probably be able to keep some of your items at school. If you are graduating, however, you'll have to have your side of the room cleaned and all of your things moved out before move-out. You may not have enough room to bring home everything you've accumulated over the semester, so make sure you go through all your things so you can figure out what you can bring home, what you can donate, and what can be thrown away. Not enough room in your car to bring home all your items? Not a problem. With college boxes, you can pack up all your things and have them shipped home to your front door. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Friends and family are sure to help you pack and tidy up your room, and our college boxes team will come right to your door to pick up your items. Before leaving on move-out day, make sure the entire room is cleaned and vacuumed, and that all of your items are out of the room upon leaving. Now that you've got your room all packed up, you're ready for winter move out at your college. For more tips and tricks, check out our blog at movinginsider.com. And don't forget to share your moving adventures with us using #YouHaulFamous. We'll see you next time on another Minute Moving Hacks.